Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Now what I've got for you today is I'm going to show you all the products I've gotten so far from the upcoming January to June Spring Mini Catalog and the SaleaBration brochure. One of the perks of being a demonstrator is that we can order and earn these products early before they're live to the public so that we can play with them, get used to how they work, and then showcase them to all of you. These products will be live for you on January 4th, and I want to show you some of what you've got to look forward to. Let's have a look. The Sweet Talk Suite focuses on Valentine's Day and other love-related occasions, weddings, anniversaries, engagements, etc. Here are some of the included items. This two-step stamp set reminds me of those fun candy hearts we used to get in elementary school. I love the way the stamp set is designed, where you can create these candy hearts in all different colors and customize your messages. Then there are the matching dies. Look at how this stamp here, this is all on one stamp, these three hearts, and same with this one here. And then when you use the dies, it's going to cut them all out into three separate hearts. That's so clever. I absolutely adore the Sweet Talk Designer Series paper with its bright, beautiful colors and charming designs. For Valentine's Day and well beyond, I can see lots of possibilities with this paper. These iridescent rhinestone jewels are also part of the suite, and they are simply gorgeous. They add a touch of sparkle to any project, and for only $10.25, you get 200 jewels in 3 different sizes. Here's a card I made with some of the items from the Sweet Talk suite. Next is the Love and Happiness bundle. This is another bundle with a hybrid embossing folder, a folder that is specifically created to work with coordinating dies. First, have a look at this stamp set, which includes a fantastic collection of sentiments for all the love-related occasions you can imagine. I love that there are specific ones saying, "To the one I love," "To my husband," "To my wife," as well as sentiments to a couple, such as "the cutest couple ever," and "you two have something really special." These sentiments are a perfect addition to any Stampin' collection, and we are just getting started with this bundle. The embossing folder and the coordinating dies create a really gorgeous focal point heart shape for your project with a beautiful flowering background. Here's a card I made with these products. I love how the dies allow me to add these simple, beautiful flowers wherever I choose, and the 2 dies for the sentiments are a gorgeous addition. Next, I want to show you the Rainbow of Happiness bundle. Who doesn't love rainbows? This bundle allows you to create them in any style and color scheme you choose. And I love the sentiments as well. You make this world a better place, and sending you a rainbow of happiness are particular ones that speak to my heart. And just to make this bundle even more fabulous, remember that during SaleaBration, January and February, you can earn free products with your $60 or $120 purchase. One of those free products is this adorable Sunshine and Rainbows Designer Series paper. This is a 6x6 paper stack with 48 sheets of bright, cheerful, colorful designs, some of which coordinate with the dies included in this bundle. Here's a card I created with these products. The next bundle I want to show you is called Amazing Silhouettes. Everyone who attended the virtual onstage event, which is a biannual Stampin' Up convention for demonstrators, received this stamp set for free, and then I purchased these coordinating dies as well. These striking silhouette images remind me of the block stamping technique, where we would use our acrylic blocks directly on the ink pad and the cardstock to create blocks of color, and then stamp an image on top. I think there's a lot of potential here for creating all kinds of cards, including masculine and sympathy, and other cards that can be a bit more challenging to create. The coordinating dies don't cut out the stamped images. Instead, they give the opportunity to add words to your project. I love that these words are layered, which allows you to create some striking contrast on your project, as I've done here with this card. In addition to "You are amazing," there are also dies that say "Thanks." The Heart and Home Suite is one that we on-stage attendees got to play and stamp with during that event. First, here's the Blessings of Home bundle. These distinctive floral images are absolutely beautiful, and I really appreciate the bold font of the sentiments. The coordinating dies not only cut out those two main floral images, but additional floral shapes as well. The Heart and Home Designer Series paper absolutely grabs me. I love the floral and geometric images on the front side. And even more, I love the simple gray and white board images on the back side. This reminds me of Cape Cod and home renovations and watching HGTV. And of course, it would be easy to stamp directly on this simple background paper. I can't wait to play more with it. Also part of the Heart and Home Suite are these embellishments: denim ribbon, classic matte dots. I love that these dots come in neutral colors. You're going to be able to use them on any number of projects. And in fact, I used them on my previous card with the Amazing Silhouettes bundle. There is also a beautiful Hive 3D embossing folder, which creates a really textured honeycomb look on your projects. And finally, the brushed brass butterflies. Here are some cards I've created with these products. Two more embellishments to show you from the beautiful Spring Mini Catalog. First, these gorgeous polished dots. This is from a suite called Symbols of Fortune, which is very elegant and beautiful. I've also got this white frayed ribbon. This is a 3/4 inch ribbon with lots of character. So that's all I have so far from the Spring Mini Catalog. But I do have several more items from the SaleaBration brochure that I'd love to show off for you. As I said before, these are items that you can earn free with your $60 or $120 purchase from January 4th to February 28th. This gorgeous Daffodil Afternoon paper is delightful on its own, and it also coordinates with a bundle from the Spring Mini Catalog called Daffodil Daydream. Here's a card I've made with this paper. I'm wild about this Simply Marvelous 6x6 paper stack. It comes with such gorgeous colors and two stunning designs. Here's a card I've made with this paper, as well as the beginnings of the rest of the set. The Friendly Hello Designer Series paper and stamp set are a level 2 reward item. There is lots of versatility in this paper, and you can stamp right on it to really make the designs pop. Here's a card I've created with this bundle. also using the Hive 3D embossing folder I showed you earlier. And finally, what is sure to be one of the most popular items during SaleaBration, the awesome Otters stamp set. These adorable otters are perfect for birthday cards, congratulations, and other happy occasions. Here's a card I've created with this stamp set. If you've enjoyed seeing all these upcoming items, why not join me for the Spring Mini Catalog and Sale-a-Bration launch party coming up in a few weeks? I'm hosting an in-person and a virtual party, so you can choose what works best for you. And of course, you can attend the virtual session from anywhere in Canada. The event is free to attend, and there will be product demonstrations, crafting, games, prizes, and lots of fun. Visit my website to get the details and register for the event of your choice. Here are all the cards I've made so far with my new catalog products. I'd love to give one of them away to someone who shares the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you a card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the sneak peek. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what your favorite product is. And if there's something specific that you'd like to see more of or learn about, just let me know. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, starting January 4th. You'll also find the event calendar, project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my email newsletter. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'! Bye!